that I can understand. So yun lang yung medyo masakit sa akin, no? I don't buy MACD crossovers. Except for those companies that I can understand. Okay? sorry I use technical analysis, but only to those companies that I understand. No? So, kung one of my favorite stocks is Manila Water, no? Ito mga naka-attend na ng mga dati, no? One of my favorite stocks, Manila Water. Why? Paano kumikita ang Manila Water? Pag bukas mo po ng gripo mo, tumutulo na ang ligaya sa kanila. No? So, how can you expect... paano ko pa i-explain yun ng mas mahirap? No? Yung sa iba, paano ko i-explain ito ng mas madali? Yung sa Manila Water, hindi. Paano i-explain ito ng mas mahirap? Kapag tumulo na yung gripo kapag tumulo na yung tubig sa gripo nyo, kumikita na ang Manila Water. So, I think okay na yun, no? Okay. Yung kanina, dinidiscuss ni Marvin yung MPI. Okay. Meralco, ilan na? Ilan ang hawak nila Meralco? Okay? Hindi ka naman siguro nagtatago ng frozen meat sa ipa pa. Hindi na. Diba? Dati ipa ang ginagamit para ma-preserve, diba? Hindi ka na naman siguro naglalaban ng gamit ang kamay. So, washing machine siguro, no? Parang ganun. Or Maynila, at 51% of Maynila is owned by Metro Pacific. Or healthcare. Sino pong nakapagpa-hospital na sa Makati Med? No? Ang sakit, di ba? Di ba? May sakit ka na, ang sakit pa, di ba? So, kung gusto mo makaganti ng konti, buy MPI. Parang ganun, no? Okay. Sino po ang Meralco victim dito? So, malamang tayong lahat, no? Mabawi-bawin konti, consider buying, Meralco, no? Pero at a good price. Okay, at a good price. Regardless kung anong good price sa inyo, kahit fundamental, meaning, I think, Meralco is worth 250, kunyari lang po yun. Or kung sa technical, based on based on the channel, this is the resistance, that's my sell price. Based on the channel, this is my support, that's my buy price. Regardless, no? Okay. And lastly, madali ako i-please. No? Madali ako i-please. I'm satisfied with the 15% compounded interest rate. So, okay lang ba yun? Naunawaan po ba yun, no? So, in essence, if I think the stock is worth 10 pesos and the stock is currently selling at 5 pesos, even if I wait for 5 years, I'll buy that stock. Why? Because kung sakali man na at the end of 5th year pa nag 10 pesos, pinili kong 5 pesos ngayon, as if kumita siya ng 15% per year. At the end of first year, naging 1.15. At the end of second year, naging 1.15 times 1.15. Eh, ganun po yung CAGR, no? Okay. Okay po ba yun? Ibig sabihin, I'm not for that quick kill. So that's my that's the kind of investor I am. So, ganun, no? So, kung hindi kayo ito, baka hindi nyo ito gamitin, no? Pero, anyway. Okay, so how I invest? As a relaxed investor, I do these 5 things. No? So first, I don't invest the money I need. May ka-qualify ko yan. Second, I ignore the crowd. It's as simple as that. Okay? As simple as that. I ignore the crowd. No chismis supply for me. No? No? You can tell me any chismis you want. You can tell me this hyper or this set of hypers is pushing this stock. Okay, sige. Sa'yo na lang, no? Pero kung nasa stock yan, ayos lang. Kung GMAP yan, maraming nag-gang up to buy GMAP, ayos lang. Masaya ako kasi akin stock o GMAP. Diba? Pero kung papabilin mo sa akin yan na hindi ko kilala dahil lang binibili nila, hindi ako kumakagat. So, yun lang yung para sa akin, no? Third, I buy low and sell high. So, very elementary, but very, very, very common pitfall. No? So, sino po hindi pa nag-invest? Sino pong hindi pa nag-invest? If there's any takeaway from this seminar, it should be this. Buy low, sell high. Okay? Okay ba yun? Agree ba tayo doon? No? So, but again, for you to buy low and sell high, you should know what is the low price and you should know what's the high price. Tama ba yun? No? You should know what's the low or the buy price and you should know what the high and the sell or the sell price. So again, regardless for the method you use, no? Regardless kung technical fundamental analysis na gagamitin mo, as long as may gagamitin ka. Okay ba yun? Ha? As long as may gagamitin ka. Hindi, para sa akin, what suits you, no? And I think ito yung, yung medyo spirit nitong trader secrets, no? Kailangan may gamitin ka. Kung ano mang style ang gusto mo, okay lang. Basta alam mo dapat yung low and high price mo. Okay ba yun? Okay. Fourth is diversify. So, kung sino yung tumututol, pwede tayong mag-discuss mamaya. Pero, this still holds true. No? No? This still holds true. Among asset classes, meaning stocks, bonds, financial investment, real estate, this still holds true kahit within the stock market. No? So, yun. And lastly, be cost conscious. So, first, I don't invest the money I need. My money in the stock market, I don't need for at least next 2 years. No? I don't buy stocks. I only buy stocks that can give me at least what? At least siguro mga 20% na may magtutulak. May reason bakit mo siya bibili. Parang ganon. No? So even if the value or even if the market price of this stock drops continuously for ilang months, ayos lang sa akin yun, walang problema. Kung may extra money ako, lalagyan ko ba yan? Kasi I don't need the money na nasa stock market for at least 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Okay, so ganito ako. So ito is, ganito ako, dahil, ganito ang style ko, dahil ganun akong klaseng investor. Ganun lagi yung nag-trace, no? If I think I need the money, I invest in preferred shares. So, familiar ba kayo sa preferred? Preferred shares, Ayala preferred, Petron preferred, ano. Why? Kahit bumaba po ang stock price niyan, pwede mo, at the very least, pwede mo pa silang antayin until maturity or until redemption. Okay? Okay. Kung bumaba man ang stock price ng mga preferreds, konti lang ang galaw niyan. Tsaka medyo cyclical. Alam niyo po ang market, medyo mag-isip akong tamang term, pero sila ulo po yan, no? Sorry, no? Talagang ganun siya, no? Medyo manic-depressive po ang market, eh. Kaya, may tendency siya to form cycles talaga. Pero these preferred stocks, even if they form cycles, konti lang yung deviations na tinatawag. Okay. And lastly, I have a 6-month plan. If I have a 6-month plan, for example, yun nga, yung kanina na sabihin natin sa ganitong panahon, meron akong pagkakagastusan. I can allocate some of my portfolio to a 6-month trading plan, but I do use Kendrick's plan or Kendrick's strategy. Arvin's strategy or Sir Amir's strategy. The short-term trading. No? Kahit na core investor ako, if I intend to use the money I invest or part of the money in my portfolio for a 6-month plan, I trade using those techniques. Okay? So, ang takeaway is, kahit na mag-subscribe ka ngayon sa isang method, it all boils down to what objective you have or what objective ang iniisip mo para sa part ng money na yon. Okay ba yun? Malinaw ba yun? No? It's good to know all these techniques dahil at a certain point in time, for a certain part of your portfolio, you'll be having different objectives. Okay? Parang kay Marvin kanina, no? Slice na yung pie niya, no? Pero, again, hindi ko to yun. Okay.